How would you compare yourself now to then? And this is a picture, so you can see before and after.
Are you gonna make me cry? God. I'm Maria, I'm 24, from Portugal, and I took the Master in Tourism and Hospitality Management, and now I'm a Partnerships and Marketing Specialist for the Hotels Network. I always knew I wanted something in tourism, so why not do it in one of the biggest tourist hubs in the world, and also in one of the best universities in the world. It's a pretty good mix, I would say. Working with especially people that are so different from me, it was one of the biggest challenges I've had. So it also prepared me for everything that I'm going to do in my future. Apart from that, it's Barcelona. I mean, what else do I need to say? We have the marketing challenge. It was tough because we had to develop a whole marketing plan in just a few days. It was also quite interesting and a learning experience for sure. We also had the opportunity to actually do some site visits and to explore, what it is in the actual real world, which for me is very valuable. And this is also why I came to EADA in the first place, because of the practicality of it. So this was definitely a big highlight for me. It was probably the best learning experience I've had.
How would you compare yourself from then and now?
Oof, definitely much more confident. These 10 months that I was here, I just really grew a lot of confidence in myself. And it also comes from the people that I met, because they really played a big part in helping me just grow up and mature in so many different ways. They will forever be in my heart. Don't be afraid. Remove your filters from your head, and you're here to do what you enjoy. This is going to be part of your future. Just go for it.